Before skipping this video, answer one question. Give answer honestly. Okay. How many times you have told to yourself, I start fresh from Monday? Be real. 5 times, 10 times, 100 times. Maybe more than 100 times. Because at this point even Monday doesn't believe you anymore. And by the end of this video, you are gonna know exactly why that keep happening to you. I'm not here to motivate you today. Motivation is a fake, really. It lasts like 2 days max and then you back to zero. What I am actually gonna show you is how to see the loop your brain is secretly running. Because right now you don't even know it's happening. That's the scary part. Okay, so first, what even is a pattern? Let me show you with example, something you probably did this week. You open YouTube for one video for work, study, whatever. After few minutes later, you are watching some random videos, like a guy is explaining how cheese made in Switzerland. You don't plan that, but you did it. So who did? Your brain did on autopilot. Think about like this, your phone running app in a background even when you are not touching it. You don't open them, you don't choose them, but they are still drilling your battery the whole time. That's exactly what is the pattern is. Something your brain running without asking your permission. Okay, so how do you identify your patterns? Easy, look at the mistake you keep repeating like on a loop. Imagine these things. You decide, I wake up at 6 a.m. Alarm rings, you soon need. You are wake up 8:30, feeling guilty already. Or you sit down to study or do any important work and within 10 to 15 minutes your hand is already on your phone. You don't even decide to pick it up and start scrolling reels. It just happens. That is a pattern. Why does your brain do this? It's not your mistake because it's habit we have had since childhood, pushing away anything difficult or boring. The second something feels difficult, your brain quietly push it away because your brain made that its natural behavior. Now the unbelievable part is every single habit, have good or bad, run on the exactly same three tips. Trigger, action, reward. It's okay if you don't understand, let understand with an example. Consider this, you are bored, that's the trigger. You open Instagram, that's the action. You feel enjoying, it's the reward. You feeling stress, it's trigger. You something eat sweet, action. You feel better for 10 minutes, it's a reward. And every single time that loop runs, it get more stronger. Actually, this is the huge trap. Bad habits pay you back instantly. Reels, junk food, skipping work, instant dopamine, zero wait time. Good habits don't pay that fast. Study doesn't feel good in a 10 seconds. It feels good 3 months later on result day. So our brain being lazy and logically at the same time keep choosing the fast reward over the slow one. That's it. That is the whole reason you keep saying I will start tomorrow. And this is exactly why your plan keep failing. Stay with me because this next part is the actual point of this video. You decide new gym routine, clean diet, sleep on time. 1 week later you are back to the exact same old routine. Why? Because you try to delete the habit. And here the thing nobody tells you, habit cannot be deleted, they can only replace. Your brain doesn't erase the old pattern. It just build new one on the top like layer. So stop trying to remove the bad habit completely. Just swap the action, keep the same trigger, keep the same reward, change what in the middle. Okay, now let's actually fix this. 6 things. Write this down or just rewatch this part. Just don't skip it. Number 1. Replace, don't remove. When you feel like scrolling, you don't fight it. You just swap the action. Get up, walk for 5 minutes, do 10 to 20 push-ups, same trigger, different action, similar reward. It's simple action but actually useful. Number 2. Control the trigger. Want to break the habit, remove whatever started. When you have to study, put in your phones inside the bag. If you can't see it, you wouldn't even realize you have a phone with you. Same with a snack, no chips, no biscuit at home. If it's not in the house, You literally can't eat it. Number 3, redesign your pace. Keep your environment motivating, just like putting a habit tracker somewhere you physically cannot ignore. And if there's big task you keep avoiding, break it into tiny small steps. One sticky note per step. The task stop feeling huge, the start feeling doable. That's the whole trick. Number 4, make bad habits hard, good habits easy. If overusing your phone, set a timer or just delete app for a week. Make bad habits cost effort and make good habits cost zero efforts. Book on your desk, you will open it. Book in a drawer, you never will. Number 5, the main thing is night replay. 2 minutes before you sleep, ask yourself, where did I lose control today? What actually triggered it? You are not judging yourself here. You just rewatch. You just watching the footage back like a coach. That tiny bit of awareness change how you move tomorrow. And number 6, the most people skip it. Habits taking. Attach a new habit to something you already do every single day, no matter what. Simple example like after you have breakfast or lunch, you wash your dish or tiffin instantly. This is a small activity but it make beautiful change. This all about 6 activities make an impact and break the stuck loop. Look, you don't need to whole new personality. You need to understand the one you already have. Your patterns build you, but you can rebuild them. Pick one, just one. Don't fight it, replace it. And if you actually watched till here, you already know someone who needs to hear this. Send it to them. See you in the next one.